Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add a before and after slider in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and in this left-hand menu, click on Add Apps and you will directly jump into Wix App Market. Here, click on the Search Apps box and type here before and after slider and search for it. And here we are going to use this app. So click on this before and after slider app and all you have to need, add this app in your Wix website. And here as you can see a before and after slider added. Now select the slider and it's time to replace images. So select the slider and click on settings. And here select images. And now you can change before title from here. And to change or replace before image, all you have to need just click on replace image to add your own before image. And from here you will be able to change after text title, and to change after image, scroll down and here you will be able to easily replace your after image. Then let's click on save. And now let's view the site. And here as you can see, I've successfully added a before and after slider in my Wix website. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.